Hi there, welcome to this video. My name is Colin. I'm the lead developer and co-founder here at Highways. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move conversational data from Intercom to Pipedrive using our brand new tool called Sync. Sync is our conversational context platform, and it is designed to move full conversation transcripts from any of your live chat tools into the other tools within your landscape. So that includes Pipedrive, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, to name but a few. To get started, you're going to need to come to our website and choose the access for Sync, or come to sync.highways.io and you'll be presented with this screen. If you're a brand new user, you'll need to click register, fill out a few details, and then get ready to go. So if you haven't already registered, now would be a great time to pause the video, register, and then jump back in here with me. If you're currently using any of our other apps, for example, our Intercom inbox apps or workflow apps, you'll need to create a new account as well. So go ahead, register, and when you're ready, come back to the login screen and go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, this will bring you to the Sync overview, and as you can see from my particular dashboard, I have a number of syncs already set up. So I'm sending information from Intercom to HubSpot. I'm also sending information from Intercom to Pipedrive. And just as a further example, I'm also integrated into Salesloft. So these are all tools that I have within my landscape, and I'm pushing conversational data into them as soon as that action occurs in Intercom. To set up a new sync, all right, I'm just going to guide you through how to set up, say, Intercom to Pipedrive. You're going to click New Sync here on the top right-hand corner, and you can see all the integration we have available. So I'm going to scroll down and choose Intercom, and I'm going to choose the Intercom and Pipedrive sync and click connect. And it's a two-step process. We'll need to do a bit of OAuth with Intercom, and then we brought over to Pipedrive to continue. So I'm going to choose my workspace and choose authorize access. I'll then be flowed over to Pipedrive itself, where once again we'll approve the app and click continue. And after 2 clicks, I'll be brought back to Highway Sync and I'm ready to go. So we can see our sync has been successfully created. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down and find it to look at some of the settings available. So we can see here we have Intercom Pipedrive. We can scroll over and see the instances that are here. We can rebuild the sync. So for example, you're having any trouble with the sync working, you can click rebuild, and you also turn it on and off with this toggle switch here. If we look really briefly at the settings, we have a number of settings we can set up for Intercom to Pipedrive. The first is automatic content creation, which basically means as soon as a conversation is opened within Intercom, you can create a contact or person within Pipedrive. This is really handy if you're using, say, bots. So when the bot asks the user for their details and they open a conversation, they will be created in Pipedrive. Below this, we also offer activity creation, meaning it's very easy for your team to go into Pipedrive and see exactly what happened and when. We also offer tag syncing for Pipedrive. This means when you apply a tag within Intercom, this will be synced over to Pipedrive so your tags remain the same. And you can also assign ownership, which means if your user is in Intercom and Pipedrive and it's owned by a user in Intercom, we can push that ownership data across to Pipedrive as well. We also offer the ability to sync conversations. That is the core piece of Sync. So Sync is designed to move full chat transcripts from Intercom or any of your live chat tools into tools like Pipedrive. So an example here, I have it set up to push it into the person record. However, I can also sync it over to the organization or the company, and I can also sync to deals as well. So you can have that chat transcript available to your team right within Pipedrive. They never have to go into Intercom. They can get all the information they need from the record within Pipedrive itself. Below this, we also have custom attribute mapping. So for example, if you wanted to map an Intercom field, such as the phone, you can map this over to Pipedrive as well. We also support custom attributes from Intercom. At this point, you're probably wondering, well, what does all this look like? So let's take a look at a record over here in Pipedrive. I've logged in. This is a brand new user, Joe at example.com. And we can see a number of things have happened. So for example, this contact was created by Highways. We can see it right here. And we've had 2 syncs occur. So we've had a conversation sync over and also another one here when it was updated. So if I expand the conversation, I can see a full chat transcript, who was involved in the conversation, so myself, and also the reply here, along with a direct link into Intercom. So for example, if a user needs to check a conversation, they just click the link and they'll be jumped directly into Intercom itself. So that's a really quick overview of Highways Sync. I hope it's been informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly, open a chat on our website, or get in touch. We can't wait to see what you build using our tools.